We are quite confident that when you do the foundations right, then the aspirations will be fulfilled.
Couple of days before, Elgi Equipments Limited published their Q2 results of 2024. They are showing consistent growth over years.
India as a market is our home market, and we have a leading or dominant share position, but we still believe there is a lot of opportunity for growth. At a fundamental level, there is a lot of bullishness with the Indian economy and a lot of capacity increase across existing sectors, and also the emergence of new sectors such as in semiconductor manufacturing. All of these new sectors have a significant opportunity for our products and our services.
When every employee joins LG, I sign a letter, and in that letter we say how LG is an experiment, right? And what we mean by that is we are open to doing a lot of things in our pursuit of one single-minded goal, which is to be a global organization and to be a top 3 in the air compressor business worldwide. Our journey so far has been a series of experiments. Some failed, some succeeded, and we'll continue to do that, right? And in the process of all these experiments, we've built a great set of technologies, built a great set of people, and we have built great culture and a quality system that's enviable for anybody in the world. So these are foundations by which we will continue to invest deeply into these, and we are quite confident that when you do the foundations right, then the aspirations will be fulfilled.
Elgi Equipments Limited started its journey in Coimbatore 65 years before. Today they are 3,500 crore turnover with 2,000 people.
Fundamentally, we believe that the type of innovation that we bring about will constantly give us a strong footing that are willing to consider our products. So you take good products, continuous innovation, and then you match it to an innovative and digitally focused sales process so that you get in front of the customer at their appropriate point of need. We believe those factors, all combined with a lot of bullishness on the economy, will still give us a lot of opportunity to grow. And I'm very excited to see how our team works together to make the most of these opportunities.